Hi, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to make green gram sprout salad. This salad is mainly not only about the sprout, but also we are including a lots and lots of vegetables. Uh, Try to include all the vegetables and sprout equal quantity so that it will give you lots and lots of refreshment to your body and a fiber content to the body as well as the equal amount of protein. Try to include more green vegetables in your diet or the salad. It gives more iron. And cutting wise, here I'm just cutting all the vegetables into small pieces and carrot into a big chunk. The reason behind is cutting a carrot into very small pieces is waste of time, and the second thing is carrot is not having a prominent taste that dominates the other vegetables. So when you take a spoon of salad, it gives a mixture of taste that gives a good experience to your taste bud and you will feel good. Here I'm adding apple. The reason is it has a sweet as well as tangy taste which enhances your taste bud and a way of eating apple in your daily food as well. Salt and lemon is optional. I like to add salt as well as lemon juice, but both are optional. Salt is not a healthier option, but if you need it, you can add half a spoon of salt. The green gram sprout, you just soak it in water for almost like a full day, warm water for almost like 8 to 10 hours. Drain the water and close it with a lid. It gets sprouted. You will get a nice green gram sprout. Just mix all the items like all the vegetables and the sprout and enjoy your salad. Have it in the early morning as a breakfast or before breakfast. It will be very good for your health as well refresh your taste buds as it is tangy. Thank you.